Everybody seems to be talking about Apple's new flagship watch. It is expected since it's so impressive. Users are puzzled on whether to upgrade from Series 8. Comparatively, the Apple Watch Ultra and Series 8 have many similarities, but the Ultra takes it up a notch. Today, we're going to give 4 reasons why you should not upgrade from Series 8. 4. Large. First of all, the Apple Watch Ultra is not only the first major overhaul of the Apple Watches since its debut in 2015, but it is also the largest and most feature-rich Apple Watch alternative. The Apple Watch Ultra is the largest Apple Watch to date, thus its bulky design may not appeal to many consumers. The same can be said for its size. The larger case size may be off-putting for those who prefer the smaller 41mm Apple Watch. If you want to evaluate if the Apple Watch Ultra is too huge and unwieldy for you, it may be worthwhile visiting an Apple store and try one on in person. In addition, the Apple Watch Ultra's design is a bit aggressive and rugged. If you are seeking a more fashion-focused smartwatch that combines nicely with metal and leather bands, the Apple Watch Ultra may not be for you since it has only its stainless steel design. Which leads us to the color options and bands on both watches. And it is quite limited on the Apple Watch Ultra, but we'll go into detail on that later, so stay tuned. 3. Price. Now this part is crucial. The base model of the Apple Watch Series 8 costs $399. The price goes up from there if you opt for cellular connectivity, a different case material, or a different band. Comparatively, the base model Apple Watch Ultra costs $799 and features a titanium taste, GPS plus cellular connection, your choice of a trail loop, alpine loop, or ocean band, and one of the 3 different sizes. Certainly not cheap, but cheaper than the freshly released titanium 45mm Apple Watch edition. If the Apple Watch Ultra is out of your price range, but you still want to use your watch in harsh conditions, keep in mind that the Series 8 has a sturdy front crystal, it's water resistant, and has many of the same software functions as the Apple Watch Ultra, including the ability to mark waypoints. Because both devices have many similar features, it can justify the decision not to upgrade. We'll talk more about it very soon, so stay tuned. Even if the Apple Watch Ultra has more features, the Apple Watch Series 8 is still an appealing option due to its lower pricing and more understated style. 2. Color. Moving on, color options and casing materials vary for the Apple Watch Series 8. Only a titanium case and a natural finish are offered for the Apple Watch Ultra. The Series 8 comes with an array of interchangeable bands manufactured from materials like nylon, leather, and stainless steel. According to Apple's newsroom, Apple Watch Series 8 comes in starlight, midnight, silver, and product red aluminum cases, and silver, graphite, or gold finishes in stainless steel. That's a lot of options.
That's incredible.
In addition, Apple still provides Nike and Hermes models with unique bands and faces. With the Apple Watch Ultra, you can only choose between 3 different bands, each optimized for a different set of pursuits. Hopefully, we'll see more color bands on Apple's new model, however, that is still yet to come. So subscribe to this channel to keep up with our regular updates, reviews, and rumors about Apple and other high-end tech models. 1. Similar sensor and software features. Now, as we've said before, the Apple Watch Ultra and Series 8 share many features. While we did say the Watch Ultra offered an improvement, it may go unnoticed in everyday use. Presuming you're in a typical setting, the Apple Watch Series 8 should suffice. Both watches use watchOS 9 and a wide array of sensors. The new crash detection feature, for instance, is included in all of the newest Apple Watch models and can detect if you've been in a car accident and automatically calls for help. Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra have the same health features, including a new temperature sensor that records temperature changes during the night and may be used to monitor ovulation cycles. Now, when comparing this to other software features, you will notice many parallels. We can also talk about the IP6X dust resistance feature. However, it's worth mentioning that it's a step up from the Watch Ultra. The point here is the Watch Series 8 offers a similar experience, so if you're not fully utilizing these features, you have no reason to get the Apple Watch Ultra. Do you feel these additions are essential and would make you more likely to upgrade? Feel free to chime in with your comments below. Conclusion. The Apple Watch Ultra is the ideal option if you're looking for a tougher Apple Watch with improved features, including a brighter display, louder speakers, a more accurate GPS, and improved water resistance. However, these enhancements are typically unused, therefore it is good reason to avoid upgrading unless absolutely necessary. What you might want to upgrade to is Apple's next flagship, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh wait, I mean the iPhone 15 Ultra. That's right, Apple is ditching the name, and our next video talks about that, so make sure you watch it next.